At ang tamang sagot ay Shia LaBeouf. Kaya bumunot kami sa lahat na nag-text ng tamang sagot. Panalo ng 20,000 pesos si... Congratulations!
Welcome back to
Panahon Ko To! Our texting lines are now officially closed.
Kasama pa rin natin ngayon si Chester from Team Pinoy Pin Busters.
Your answer was Tom Cruise. Tingnan natin kung sinong sikat. Sorry, the correct answer is Gringo Honasan, Filipino soldier turned senator, served from 1995 to 2004 and elected again noong 2007. Okay lang yan.
But anyway, you and your team still win 15,000 pesos plus another 10,000 pesos, total of 25,000 pesos.
Yeah, samahan niyo kami dito. At syempre, bukas announce namin kung sinong lucky texter na may tamang sagot ang nanalo ng 20,000 pesos.
Kung walang nag-text ng correct answer, may 2,000 pesos na consolation prize pa rin kaming ipamimigay.
Kaya naman Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, salamat sa pagtutok niyo. Sama-sama ulit tayo mag-reminisce bukas kasama mga bagong grupong palaban. I am Luis Manzano and I would like to thank designer Whey Protein, Gold's Gym, Executive Optical, Ray-Ban, Techno Marine, Drs. Manny Pai Calayan, Doc Nelda Eufemio of New Asia and the Fort, Traffic Shoes and Embareto. Thank you very much. At mga kapamilya and National Family Day sa araw na ito, kaya magkakaroon po ng libreng sakay pa uwi from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. upang hikayatin ang bawat isa na maghapunan kasama ang kanya-kanya mga kapamilya.
That's right. Abangan ang mga Family Day buses sa iba't ibang bus station from Ayala Avenue to Fairview, Quezon City. Laging tandaan na dapat magkasama-sama tayong lahat sa hapagkainan ngayon, Family Day. Well, I'm Billy Crawford. Thank you to Human Fly Perfume Swatch, Unisilver Kalaya Merger, Henry from South Salon, and Dr. Steve Yan. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much to everyone who watched my show 25 Days.
Yes, yes, yes.
Being a part of my 25th year in the business. But, see you again tomorrow dito kung saan ang buhay mo, ang araw-araw na laman ng kwentuhan. Ito ang
Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko.
Ang programang ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng Pantene.